Good morning, guys. Um, I'm up. I'm getting ready to go to the salon. So I'm getting ready to go to the salon. Oh, my hand. I've been having this pain in my hand or on my shoulder area. So I just want to fix myself a quick breakfast. Just moi moi from Christmas, and I'll eat and then set up. Yeah, so I've just got done eating. I've eaten and what? I just want my food to digest before I set out to go make my Christmas hair. Tell me, how do you know you've grown? How I know I've grown is the fact that sometimes I don't even make Christmas hair. And look at now, I want to make Christmas hair, but I'm doing this on the 27th. I'm a grown woman. You can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. And also, I feel kind of pressed. Like I want to do it number two. So I'm just chilling. I mean, I said I'm supposed to get there by 9. No, I want to be one of the first people to enter that salon so that I'll finish on time. Fingers crossed. Most people have done their own. I pray. I pray we only few. I pray we know.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe every single thing we see.
The next day.
So I'm just getting started with my Christmas too. Yes, who does that? Today's 28th. Yeah, so I just brought it out of the freezer and poured it in the pot. So I'm just going to boil it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another vlog. Is this the start of another? I don't even know. I don't even know which one it is, but this is the last day of the public holiday. I'm sad, but I need to get some content rolling. Like, I want to, what do I want to do? This video I've been stalling, like I've been postponing. I must do that one today. But whatever I do, the plan is to finish everything by 12 so that I can have the rest of the day to relax and reset and prepare for the week, because the week starts tomorrow, like work week. My 8 to 5 or 9 to 5, whichever one you call it. So I have to like get a lot of things done before then, which includes making my Christmas stew.
One eternity later.
Guys, guess what time it is? Just guess in the comment sections. If you guess past 5, you're correct. So since that time, that when I woke up this morning, I was like, I want to be done with everything I have to do, filming the 2 videos I want to film by 12 and cooking by 12. That's one thing I like about myself, the way I overestimate myself. Anyway, I didn't get to do the other video I wanted to do. So I was only able to film one video, and it was worth it. I did this makeup look. So I'm going to try and make the most of the rest of the hours that I have left for today. Let me see how I can still enjoy small. I'll see you guys later. By the way, let me know, how do I look? What do you think about the hair, about the makeup? Let me know in the comment section. Whichever one goes up first, guys, either the vlog or the sit down video, please make sure you're caught up, okay? Make sure you are caught up.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.